Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you're new, welcome. Today's video, I just did one like this for the previous week, which my videos are like a little bit worked ahead. So that was the week of July 16th through July like 22nd, 23rd. And then this is the week after that, July 23rd to July like 30th, give or take. It is everything I crocheted this week. That last video that went up, I hit close to 20 plushies that week, but this week I did like well over 20 plushies. So I just wanted to share that with you. And I'm on like a time crunch because the boys are still sleeping right now, but they'll be up like any second. So I'm gonna do this like the semi-lazy way and read from a list and then put the picture like on the screen, just because it'll like save me time now and not like leave a big mess of plushies behind me. So the first thing I made was this milk and cookies crochet pattern. I've shared this before, and I'll have these linked in like a Google Doc. This is a free no-sew pattern from Instagram. The second thing I made is this bee chain. This is my own no-sew bee pattern. In most bee patterns, the wings are sewn on. For this pattern, the wings are just like kind of slip stitched on. So it's no-sew and goes super quick. And there's a tutorial for it on my channel. I'll link that right here. The next thing I made was this mini octo. I actually have not shared this, not mini octo, mini astronaut. I've not shared this mini astronaut with you, but I've shared my dog was shaking out and his collar was locked. I've shared the like full size version with you guys before. So this is like a smaller no-sew version. If you're familiar with the like Weeby Aliens, you are familiar with this pattern designer, and this is like the same size as like a Weeby Alien. And almost the same pattern too. Like the body structure is like the same. The only thing that's changed is like the arms, and like obviously it's an alien, so it doesn't have like antennae. Then I made this mini Frankenstein. This is going to be a part of my no-sew Halloween pattern pack. And that I've like close to finalized it. It's going to include 5 patterns, 2 of which are going to be free on my channel, and then 3 of which are going to be like not free on my channel, but all 5 are going to come in that pack on my Etsy when it's ready. So it's close-ish. I'm hoping finishing it in August and having it up sometime like by the end of August. So, you know, it's there. There in time for like Halloween and like fall markets. The next thing that I made was this long neck dino. This is a no-sew pattern I've shared before, though it's from Etsy. The next thing I made was this pink flamingo. This is a Katie's low sew pattern. So the only thing you end up sewing on is the beak. You make the parts separately and then crochet them like onto the body. It came out super cute, and it is a paid pattern, Katie's. The next thing that I made were 5 baby sharks, and I made these in like the color scheme of the actual like baby sharks. This is a pattern on Etsy. I think the person's name is like Rachel the farmer's wife, but don't quote me, but it's something close to that. Oh, I will say, housekeeping for a second. I believe I misspoke. In one of my no-sew patterns, I said a pink dolphin was all from Jade. It is not all from Jade, and I do love all from Jade, but I just wanted to like correct myself because I don't want to credit the wrong designer. Let me look it up because I don't want to say her name wrong now after I like already attributed her pattern to like somebody else. But it's like Little Kitten Girl or something. Crochet by Kitten Girl. So the pink dolphin, and I'll put a picture of it up so you know which one I'm talking about, is Crochet by Kitten Girl on the Etsy. So I noticed I misspoke about that semi-recently because someone else shared it in a video, but then actually said the correct designer, and I'm like, whoops. So I'll definitely make sure that does not happen again. The next pattern I made 6 of these little penguins. I don't remember the designer's name, but I'll like put it up on screen with this pattern. Then I made 2 Weeby aliens. I made 2 big leggy froggies, one in lime green It's called like lemon lime yarn. And then one in the green brights for a burnout blanket. And I made, what else did I make? 4 baby leggy froggies. I made 1 in the green brights and 3 in the lemon lime. I also made 1 yellow gummy bear. This was not a no-sew gummy bear. This was like a really big gummy bear. And then I made this like little pig thing. This was also shared in that video. One of the videos, no-sew patterns. It came out super cute. And then I made half of a gnome, which I don't want to show you yet because it's not done. But it'll be cute when it's done. But it's definitely not like a market-friendly pattern. Like I'm going to bring it to my market and use it as like one of those like showcase kind of pieces. So to draw people in because it'll be pretty big. But I'm in like the 3 or 4 hour range on it and I'm like not done. So it's definitely going to be one of those like really high priced pieces, but also it's going to be cute and draw people in. So it is what it is. And I mostly just wanted to make a pattern. So sometimes like I do that. I'll make something that's really not market friendly, but I'll bring it anyway. So that is it for this video. I don't know in the grand scheme of things when this is going up. So you've either seen these because I've released my everything I made in July video, or this is going up first. But this is just like a sneak peek at some of the stuff that I made in July because I made this stuff in the last week. And I'm going to get out of here now before the baby gets up. And I will see you guys in the next one. If you want more crochet content, click this video right here and bye.